Hey, what's up you guys? Vusi designer here. Hope you're well. So if you're just getting started with regards to trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, you want to be able to buy or sell cryptocurrencies using a demo account, and that's where you'll be able to gain all the experience required before you even start trading or investing your real money. So in this video, I'm going to help you set up your own cryptocurrency demo account where you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins as well. If you've been following this channel, you'll know that we've been trading on a Binance platform. However, their demo account for futures market is not yet ready. So when it is ready, I'm going to make a follow-up video. So make sure that you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you're alerted when that happens. For you to follow along with what I'm doing, click the link in the description of this video. That link will then take you to this page here. Once you're there, you want to scroll down to a basic plan. So basically this is a free account, right? You can see that obviously you've got your premium account, your pro account, the pro plus. If you scroll down, you realize that even the free account has, most of the features that you get on the pro account. So you want to go ahead and just check that out. You can see all the options here. Look at that. All the options are also available on the free account. So let's go up. Obviously you can start your trial, but you don't want to do that right now. What you want to do is just scroll up and click on free basic account. Once you're there, you want to go ahead and sign up. I'm going to use an email address. Obviously you can use any method of signing up. Now you can see we created our account. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and activate that on the link. So you can see here that they sent me a link. I'm going to click on that and activate the account. So here you want to go ahead and fill this up. And here you can see they want us to trial the free trial for 30 days, but we don't want that because the basic plan will do exactly what we need. So we want to go ahead and just click on charts or trading view. So if you click here on trading view, and once you're there, you want to click on charts. And this is going to be your default chart. But if you look up here, you can see that this is actually Apple Inc. We don't want that. We want to change that to Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on that and just type Bitcoin. You can type Bitcoin or you can type BTC. From here you can select the exchange that you want to use. It's also worth noting that when you're selecting your currency pairs, you'll find the futures market and spot trading all in one place. So you need to know which one you're trading at which given time. So spot trading basically means you're trading one currency for another, and it's happening on the spot. And the futures market is basically an agreement of trading the underlying assets, so which means you're not really trading the assets itself. However, you're trading an agreement of the underlying assets. Don't you get confused, because the first example we're going to be doing here is going to be the futures market. Then the second example is going to be spot trading. And here you can see we've got BTC USD. So I'm going to click on that. So now that we got that, we want to go ahead and buy Bitcoin. How do we do that? Well, it's very simple. If we click on buy, you can see that we don't have an account yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and click on this account on paper trading. Paper trading basically just means paper money. That's what we need because we need a demo account. I'm going to click on that and click connect. So I'm going to connect that and exit out of that. And here you can see that we've got 100,000 US dollars in our account. This is paper trading. This is paper money, which means we can now go and play with this money. It's literally a demo account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and click buy. You can obviously come buy or sell because obviously I've got the futures market connected there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and click on this buy icon here. If I click on that, this window is going to pop up. In here, I can come and say, I want to buy, let's say 5 Bitcoin, for example, or I can buy 2 Bitcoin, or I can even buy 0.01. So let's do that. Because we've got $100,000, it doesn't mean that we have to go and spend this entire money. We have to spend this money relatively to how much money you'll be able to trade with if you were trading real money. So from here, I'm going to move from a market order to a limit order, and I have 0.1 Bitcoin. And I'm going to set the price to be lower than the current trading price. So I'm going to change that. Let's just change this 7 to 6. That's 5 to 1. And I'm going to click on buy. And you can see our buy order here has been placed. Because we're on the futures market, you can see the amount of money that I'm losing or that I'm gaining because I went long on the market, right? Obviously, you can see it here. It will change from time to time. And you can see that it changes from green to red, which means green, I'm on profit, red, I'm losing money. So right now, we're on a profit of about $1 on this specific trade. But it will fluctuate from time to time. It will just go up and down like that. So that is actually how you buy Bitcoin on a demo account. But obviously this is the futures market. If you come here, you can look for other cryptocurrencies. Let's say, for example, ADA. So what I'm looking for is ADA USD. I'm gonna click on that, and I'm gonna come here and say buy ADA. Let me put my quantity of 100 and set the price to only trigger at 2.7. And I'm gonna click on buy. And you can see our order here has been placed. So what's the difference from what we did earlier on to what we just did now? If I come here and I click on orders, and you can see that our order of ADA, which is Cardano, has not yet been filled. It's just say the status working on it. The other order that we did has been filled, which means this one hasn't been filled yet. And the reason behind that is simply because we've got our order here at $2.75, right? But the current trading price of Cardano is $2.80 something cents. You can see it here. So our order is only gonna get triggered once the price reaches this exact same price here. So I hope that is clear, but we'll cover that in the next coming episodes. So if you come here to the chart, from the chart you can see that we've got a buying orders of 100 Cardano, and we can modify it. So if I click on that, I can now go and modify the price. I can change the price from 2758 to, let's say, 2658, for example, and hit modify. And you can see that the prices changes here as well. Now let's say we just want to go and buy it at the market price. So I'm just going to go and say market, and the quantity I can still keep it on 100 and place buy. And let me just expand that. And now we've got two orders that got filled. Why? Because this one here we bought it at the market price. This other one we set a price to be lower than the current trading price. So right now in our portfolio we've got Cardano, and we also got this contract here which is trading on the futures market. So if I come and say positions, you can see that on our Bitcoin position we are actually up by $12, $10 by now, and Cardano is actually down by 0.1. So these prices will obviously fluctuate from time to time. So now if I went and closed all these positions, let's do that. So I'm gonna come here and close this position right here. Say close position, and I'm gonna close this one as well. Close position, even though I'm closing that on the lows. Remember, we started this demo account with $100,000, and right now we've made about $10 on profit. So that's how you can trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin on a demo account. You can obviously just come here and look for other cryptocurrencies as well. You can see you got Ethereum and other currency pairs, but I'm actually looking for Ethereum and USDT. So I'm gonna click on that, and you can see that Ethereum is on an overbought territories. And how do we know that? Well, you can see that it's shooting right up there. We can also just bring indicators in the chart that's going to confirm our theories. So let's say, for example, I bring the RSI and I want to hide the trading volume. So I'm going to come to this icon here and click on that, so we can keep our chart nice and clean. And remember, this chart doesn't look exactly like what you've seen in the beginning, this one right here. Well, in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your chart to look exactly like this or even better, and put indicators that will help you become a better trader. Indicators that will tell you when to go long or when to go short. So if you want to see that, make sure that you are subscribed. That video is going to be coming in the next couple of days. So that, you guys, is how you buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on a demo account using this TradingView platform. Obviously, you can find a link in the description of this video for you to get started. But in the next coming videos, I'm actually going to show you this entire platform with regards to how to use it and how to add indicators and customize them in a way that suits your trading needs. So make sure that you are subscribed and turn on post notifications so you don't miss those videos when they come out. If we're just meeting, my name is Vusi Designer, and I make videos in the subject of personal finance and how to trade different commodities here on YouTube. And I would like to have you as a subscriber. If you have any questions, leave them on the comment section below. Showing on the screen right now is the entire playlist that will help you get started with regards to how to use this trading platform and actually help you become a better trader. So go ahead and leave a like in this video and check the entire playlist showing on the screen right now. And I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye for now.